Hey there, want to bring your past conversation with other platforms into Qwenlm.ai? It's super useful way to keep all your chat history in one place and continue where you were left off. Importing your chat history in Qwenlm.ai is actually really simple. Think of it like giving Qwenlm a memory boost. This way it can remember your previous discussion and interaction, making your future conversation even more relevant and helpful. Ready to get started? Let's walk through the steps. First of all, let's go to Qwenlm.ai website. And make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if you haven't, simply log into your account. Now take a moment to find the profile picture, which is in top right corner. It's over here. Did you see that? Okay, tap on it and this will open three options for you. There's setting, archive chats and logout. Tap on setting, which will open your settings section, and under settings section you can see a lot of options. What we need right now is chat. It's over here. Tap on it and there you can see an option for import chats. Tap on it, which will take you to the file section. Now tap on the file that you have exported earlier. Tap on it and open it over here. And as you see, import dialog successful, and that means you have successfully imported your chats. And that's it. Your chat history should now be imported into Qwenlm.ai. To test it out, go to the dashboard and these two were the chats that we imported earlier. Importing your chat really enhances your experience with Qwenlm.ai. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have any question. And that's it. Also, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.